Welcome to Yoga Time Warrior. I'm Tracy. We have beginner sequence 3 today. We have 4 movements. These are common movements in our practice. So this is a great introduction into those movements, a great technique builder if you have done yoga before, introducing you to our concepts of the spine being the center of our practice. We use our breath at the beginning so that we begin to align our spine, supporting our spine, strengthening our spine, and every movement we do focuses on that. So continue with your own breath. It's really important that you keep your breath nice and smooth and steady. So if you need to pause the class at all to catch your breath, that's fine. Also remembering that we repeat our posture before an extended stay in the posture. It's a Vinyasa concept, so if you haven't practiced this way before, it may seem a little bit odd to you, but it's a really beneficial practice. Let's get started. Beginning with our chest to abdomen breathing. So drawing your feet to hip width distance apart, toes spread nice and wide, nice soft bend in the knees, finding your neutral pelvis, making sure you have a gentle inward arch in the lower back, drawing your shoulder blades together and down the back, shoulders away from the ears, drawing your chin towards the chest but pressing your head back slightly so your neck's feeling nice and long, feeling of length right up through the spine and out through the top of your head. Completing an exhale here, contracting in the lower abdominal muscles, drawing them in towards the spine, and then inhale, expanding your breath into your chest, lengthening the spine through the top of your head, and then exhale, drawing in the lower abdominals like you're zipping up a pair of jeans. Inhale, lifting and lengthening through the spine, and exhale, drawing in those lower abdominal muscles, feeling that pelvis neutralize with the lower back. Inhale, lifting and lengthening through the spine again, and exhale, contracting in the lower abdominals, really drawing them in towards the rib cage. Moving into our half chair now. So taking another breath cycle here. Inhale, expanding your breath into your chest, hands to hips, shoulders away from the ears. Exhale, sitting down into half chair, drawing in the lower abdominals, pressing through the feet. Inhale, straightening back up, lifting up through the spine, and exhale, releasing the arms down to the sides. Then inhale, expanding your breath into your chest, drawing the arms up if that's workable for you. It's harder, so only for you if that's possible. Exhale, sitting down into half chair, drawing in those abdominals, feeling the lower back neutralize. Inhale, straightening back up, and then exhale, release the arms down, remembering it's your choice. You don't have to lift them. Otherwise, it's inhale, expanding your breath into your chest, hands to hips. Exhale, sitting down into half chair, drawing in those abdominals, pressing through the feet, staying here. Inhaling just to lengthen that spine, and then exhale, drawing in those lower abdominals to deepen down. Inhale, drawing those arms up if that's workable, shoulder blades together and down the back. Exhale, sitting down deeper, pressing through the feet, feeling those thighs and legs work. Inhale, lifting through the spine. Exhale, drawing in the abdominals to sink down deeper with that lower back neutral. Inhale, straightening back up, pressing through the legs, and exhale, releasing the arms down to the sides. Moving into our revolved triangle now, so grabbing hold of a bolster or some form of support that you can place in front of you so that you're not reaching all the way down to the mat at this stage. If you're comfortable doing that, feel free to do so, but we're working on technique here. You can develop that distance over time. So drawing your feet out nice and wide with your feet parallel to the short edge of the mat. Nice soft bend in the knees, finding your neutral pelvis, tucking and tilting so you have that gentle inward arch in the lower back. Drawing your shoulder blades together and down the back, drawing your chin towards the chest, pressing your head back slightly. Completing an exhale here. Then inhale, drawing the arms up to shoulder height, extending them away from you, and then exhale, drawing the abdominals as you twist around to the right hand side, bringing the left hand down to the bolster, opening up through the chest. Inhale, pressing through the feet, lifting the arms back up to shoulder height, straightening up, and then exhale, twisting to the left hand side with the right hand down on the bolster, this time left hand on the hip. Inhale, lifting back up, arms up, extended, and then exhale, release them down to the sides. Inhale, drawing the arms back up, shoulder blades together and down the back, and exhale, twisting round to the right, left hand down to the bolster, really drawing those shoulder blades together and chin towards the chest. Inhale, straightening back up, pressing through the feet, arms up alongside the shoulders, and exhale, right hand down to the bolster, twisting to the left, left hand onto hip. Inhale, press through the feet, lifting back upright again, arms up, and then exhale, release the arms down to the sides. Preparing now for our stay in the posture. As you inhale, draw the arms up to shoulder height. Exhale, twisting to the right, left hand down to the bolster, right arm up towards the ceiling if that's workable, otherwise hand to hip. Inhale, expanding into your chest as you stay here this time. Exhale, drawing in the lower abdominals, neutralizing the pelvis. Inhale, lengthening through the spine, chin towards the chest. Exhale, drawing in the lower abdominals. Inhale, pressing through the feet, activate the back as you lift back up, right arms up, and then exhale, release the arms to the sides. Inhale, drawing the arms up to shoulder height. Exhale, drawing in the abdominals as you twist to the left this time. Right hand down to the bolster, left arm up towards the ceiling or to hip. Inhale, lengthening that spine. Exhale, drawing in the abdominals to really deepen into that pelvis positioning here. Inhale, lifting and lengthening through that spine, chin towards the chest. Exhale, drawing the abdominals. And then as you inhale, press through the feet, activate the back as you lift all the way upright, arms up, and exhale, release the arms down to the sides. Shuffling those feet in together and removing that bolster. Coming down onto the mat for our half bow. Laying down on your front, forehead to the mat. Hands underneath shoulders. Feet relaxed. Drawing your shoulder blades together. Drawing the chin towards the chest. Making sure your neck's feeling nice and long. Tucking and tilting the pelvis to find a nice neutral positioning there. Completing an exhale here. Then inhale, lengthening through the spine, expanding your breath into your chest, and exhale, grabbing hold of that right foot towards your buttocks with your right hand, contracting those abdominals, and then inhale, lifting through the torso, pressing that foot into the hand, and exhale, releasing down, release that foot down to the ground. Inhale to prepare, drawing the shoulder blades together. Exhale, drawing that left foot to the buttocks, grabbing hold of it with the left hand, pressing the thighs and the pelvis into the mat. Inhale, lifting through the torso, drawing shoulder blades together, pressing that foot into the hand. And exhale, releasing down, release that foot all the way down to the mat. Inhaling to prepare, lengthening the spine. And then exhale, drawing that right foot towards the buttocks, grabbing hold of it with the right hand. Inhale, drawing up through the torso, activating the back muscles, lengthening the neck. Exhale, releasing down, release that foot down. Inhale to prepare, and then exhale, left foot to buttocks, grabbing hold of it with the left hand. Inhale, really activating the back muscles, lifting that left leg, pressing the left foot into the hand, and exhale, releasing back down, foot to the ground. We'll have a stay this time. So inhaling to prepare. Exhale, drawing that right foot into the right hand, contracting the abdominals, pressing thighs and pelvis into the mat. Inhale, lifting, activating the back muscles, keeping the chin towards the chest though, and exhaling just to rest a little bit here. Inhale, lifting and lengthening, feeling that neck nice and long though. Exhale, just releasing slightly. Inhale, activating the muscles in the back side of the body, the back of that right leg through the back. And exhale, releasing all the way down, foot to the mat. Inhaling to prepare. And then exhale, left foot to the buttocks, grabbing hold of it with your left hand, pressing thighs and pelvis into the mat. Contract the abdominals, then inhale, lifting both leg and torso off the mat, and exhaling to release slightly. Inhale, lifting, drawing those shoulder blades together, but the chin towards the chest, so you're only lifting the head slightly. Exhale, releasing towards the mat just a little. Inhale, activating the muscles in the back and the back of that left leg and the glutes, and then exhale, releasing all the way down, releasing that foot to the mat. Relaxing the arms to the sides, inhaling, and then exhale, turning your head to the left. Inhaling here, feeling the shoulders open and the neck release. Exhale, just relaxing. Then inhale, drawing that forehead back to the mat and center, and exhale, turning to the right. Relaxing here. Inhaling, expanding your breath into your chest, feeling the shoulder and the neck open. And exhale, relaxing down, releasing any tension here. Inhale back to center, hands to the mat. And pressing all the way back upright. Inhaling. Coming up into standing for our standing forward fold. Again, drawing your feet to hip width distance apart, toes spread nice and wide, nice soft bend in the knees, finding your neutral pelvis, gentle inward arch in the lower back, drawing your shoulder blades together and down the back, chin towards the chest, pressing your head back slightly, completing an exhale here. Inhaling, expanding your breath into your chest, hands to hips, lengthening the spine. Exhale, tipping at the hip, lengthening that spine down with a bend in the knees. Draw the chest to the thighs and then relax the arms down to wherever is comfortable. Inhale, pressing through the feet, activating the back, lifting the torso all the way upright, hands to hips. And exhale, releasing down, release the arms to the sides. Inhale, drawing the arms up alongside the ears if that's doable for you. Exhale, tipping forward. So using that extension through the spine, through the arms alongside the ears, chest to thighs, bend in the knees, relaxing at the bottom. Then inhale, press through the feet, activating the back, keeping the spine long as you lift all the way up, arms up, and exhale, releasing the arms down. Inhale, drawing up through the spine again, hands to hips or lifting arms, whatever, and then exhale, drawing the abdominals as you tip forward, extending that spine. Relax at the bottom, relaxing the arms, chest to thighs, staying here as you inhale. Just feel that spine lengthen, and then exhale, drawing the abdominals to deepen that fold here. Inhale, lengthening the spine, just lifting the torso slightly, and exhale, deepening down just the chest to the thighs so the bend in the knees is comfortable. Inhale, lengthening that torso, and exhale, relaxing down, just feeling gravity do its work on your spine here, stretching the back side of the body, releasing the lower back, then inhale, pressing through the feet, hands to hips, activating the torso all the way upright, and exhale to release. Laying down on our mat now for our final breath. This is just where we reset to connect with the parasympathetic nervous system and releasing any tension from the body. Legs out nice and long, placing a pillow under your knees if you feel that makes it more comfortable and allows your pelvis and your lower back to be more comfortable. But finding that neutral pelvis, feet relaxed, turned out, and the hips feeling nice and open. Drawing your shoulder blades together and down the back, chin towards the chest. Pressing your head into the mat gently. Completing an exhale here. Now we're breathing in and out of the belly. So concentrate on inflating it as you inhale. And as you exhale, just letting your belly sink down into the mat. Inhaling into the belly and exhale, letting it relax. This is our fastest connection here to the parasympathetic nervous system. Just continuing to breathe in and out of the belly at your own pace. Moving your body away from any stress and tension it's been feeling. Allowing it to move in rest and digest mode. It's working on its digestion, our heart rate's reduced, all of those things that get tenser and more stressed out. When we're stressed, they begin to relax here and everything starts to function normally. When you're ready, just moving into a completely natural breath. Not trying to control it at all, just a nice relaxed breathing. And then just noticing if there's any tension left in your body here. If you can feel like you're contracting any muscles anywhere, if you're hunching your shoulders or your jaws tense, just notice it and then consciously let it go. when you're ready, placing your palms, pressing them into the mat underneath the buttocks, pressing your elbows into the mat as you contract your abdominals, rolling on up to seated. Hope you enjoyed today's class. Message me through my website. You can email me. There's frequently asked questions there, and I have my blog page as well. So make sure if you need any help at all, you contact me. Thanks for your time.